Hey, hello, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be creating a look using the Singe Beauty Huldra Palette. This is the outer packaging. It's pretty. And this is the color story right here. Stunning. I can't wait to play with it again. So beautiful. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what look I create, then stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. So I already have my Milani eyeshadow primer on the lids. Now I'm going to go in with the shade, is it Soul Snatcher? Yeah, Soul Snatcher right here. And I'm going to go with it in the crease. And I'm going to use this E49 medium tapered blending Sigma brush. It looks like this. Now that I have that shade Soul Snatcher in the crease, I'm going to go in with the shade Shapeshifter, this plum right here, this one. And I'm going to take it in the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. It's okay if the shade Shapeshifter is messy. I'm going to clean it with the makeup removing towel. I went in with the NYX Glitter Glue Primer. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Channeling, I think, or Tingling, this one right here. And I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Then I'm going back with that second brush that I used the Shapeshifter with. And I'm going to blend the shimmer shade and the purple shade together. So now I'm going to take the shade Temptation, this one, on a flat shading brush. And I'm going to apply, or I'm going to spray some NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Mist. And I'm going to go and tuck it in the crease like so. Can you guys see? Just to give like a little accent. Oh, that's pretty. That's cute. That's how it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna go do it on the other eye. So this is what I got going on. I really like how it looks. So I'm going to pop off camera, remove this excess eyeshadow that I have on my cheek, and probably throw on some lashes, do my complexion, and then I'll be back. So for eyelashes, I ended up going with the Ardell Demi Wispies. This is what they look like. This one's kind of acting up, but I'm like, whatever. It's just gonna have to do. Anyways, for lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Forest Spirit, this one right here. And I'm just using a pencil brush. Let's run that on the lower lash line. This is what I got going on. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Wish. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. I'm going to have to blend it out a little bit. I'm going to go in here. Oh, that's what it looks like. I'm trying to make it even. Okay, that's cute. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I think it's pretty. Don't mind this eyelash. Alright, so this is the final look. Let me know down below if you guys like this look. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you like this video. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Bye.